So today I will teach you about how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. How to convert a binary number into a decimal number. So first of all, the number system conversion is actually the topic where we convert the binary whose base is 2 into a decimal number whose base is 10. A decimal number whose base is 10 into a binary number whose base is 2. A decimal into octal, octal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal, and so on. So how to convert these number systems? So first of all, I will teach you about how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Decimal number to binary number conversion. Decimal number to binary number conversion. Decimal number to binary number conversion. First of all, whenever any number is given which is actually a binary number, which is actually a decimal number, then first of all, because the base of binary number is 2, so we divide the number by 2 continuously and see the remaining digit. What I want to say, let's suppose there is a question to convert a decimal number, let's suppose 70, okay, let's suppose 47, okay. So this is my number 47, which is a decimal number because the base is given as 10, okay, into a number which I want to find whose base is given as 2. So it means I have to convert a decimal number into a binary number. So how to convert a decimal number into binary number? So first of all, just divide that number by 2. To convert any decimal number into binary number, we just divide the number by 2 continuously. Okay. Yes. So how many times it will be fully divided by this? That is 23 times. Okay, that is 46. So 23 multiplied by 2, that is 46, or we can say 2 up to 23, that is 46. So what is the remaining bit? The remaining number is 1. Okay, 2 multiplied by 23, that is 46, and because 40 by 2, then how many times it will be divided? That is 11 times. That is 11 times, because 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. So what is the remaining bit? That is 1. Again we divide this 11 by 2. So like this, a continuously dividation by 2. So how many times it will be divided? That is of 5 times. So 5 multiplied 2, that is 10. So the remaining bit will be 1. Now this is divided by 2. So how many times it will be divided? It will be divided by 2. So what is the remaining bit? The remaining bit will be 1. Again divide this number by 2. See very carefully. Again divide this number by 2. How many times it will be divided? It will be divided by 1. 2 ones are 2. What is remaining? Remaining nothing. So that is 0. Once again I will explain you. First of all, whenever any number given which is in decimal form and we have to convert that number into a binary number, first of all divide that number by 2. So here 47 is divided by 2. So 23 times it will be completely divided, and what is the remaining number? That is 1. So I just write down the remaining at the rightmost side. Then again divide that 23 by 2. 11 times it will be divided and the remaining bit will be 1. Again this 11 will be divided by 2. So 5 times it will be divided because 2 5s are 10. So 1 will be remaining. Again this 5 divided by 2, then 1 remaining. Again this 2 divided by 2 completely 1 times, then 0 will be remaining. Okay. So what is the binary number? What is the binary representation of 47? After this dividation, we just begin from bottom to top. we just begin from bottom to top. See very carefully, this is the bottom number, bottom to top side is 1. First of all, we just write down this 1, then this 0, then this 0, then this 0, then the next one 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. So this is the answer of this question, that 47 will be represented by 101111, 101111. So this is the binary representation of this number. When I will explain you about how to convert a binary number into decimal, then we will again use this answer to find out the question. Okay, so 101111 is the binary representation of 47. Now let us take another example. So see, this is my another example here. Let's suppose my number is, let's suppose my number is any number you can choose. Let's suppose my number is 75. Okay, and I have to convert that decimal number because the base is 10, so I understand that this is a decimal number, this decimal number into a binary number. Because the base is 2, so I understand that I have to find out the answer of binary representation of 75. So how I can convert this number into binary number? How to convert this 75 into a binary number? So just as I explained in front of you, just first of all divide that number by 2. First of all, I just draw these lines. Now see, 75 divided by 2, so how many times it will be divided? 37 times, because 37 multiplied by 2, that is 74, right? So what is remaining? The remaining will be 1. The remaining will be 1. Again divide this 37 by 2 again. How many times it will be divided? How many times it will be divided? It will be divided by 18 times. 18 to the 36. So what will be the remaining? The remaining bit will be again 1. Again divide this 18 by 2. How many times it will be divided? It will be divided completely by 9, because 2 9s are 18. So what is the remaining bit? The remaining bit will be 0. Now again this 9 divided by 2, how many times it will be divided? It will be completely divided by 4, and remain 4 to the 8, or 2 4 the 8, and the remaining bit will be 1. Again this 4 will be divided by 2. How many times it will be divided? It will be completely divided by 2, and remaining nothing, because 2 2 the 4, so remaining bit is 0. Again 2 is there, so one more time divide this 2 by 2 again. So how many times it will be divided? It will be divided completely at one time, because 2 1s are 2, and the remaining bit is 0, right? So now after reaching this 1, there is no need to do further division as in the previous questions. Okay, now what is the answer? The answer will be, first of all, this bottom one, then 0, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1 1, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this will be the answer of this conversion of binary into decimal, decimal into binary. So this will be the answer of this. So 47 will be converted into a binary by 101111, and the 75 number is converted into a binary by 1001011. So that is very simple technique by which we can convert a binary number in a decimal number into a binary number. We just want to check the results or we can say just see that how a binary number is converted into decimal, how a binary number is converted into a decimal. So I just show you for these two examples similarly. So here I am going to explain you how a binary number is converted into a decimal number. Now I am going to explain you how a binary number is converted into a decimal number. So whenever we want to convert a binary number into a decimal number, at that time we follow the multiplication. Like here I have already been taught you about how to convert a decimal number into binary. In that case we just divide the number by 2, we just divide the number by 2, but in the case of conversion of binary number into decimal, we multiply by 2. What I want to say, first of all, let's suppose I have a number of binary 1011112. This is my question. Okay, let's suppose you have a binary number, you have to convert this number into a decimal. How can I understand that I have to convert it into decimal? By seeing the base is 10. So it means I have to convert the number into a decimal number, okay. Now how can I convert? First of all, just write down the number separately from each digit separate. Increase the font size. So 1, then 0, 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 1, and then 1. So there are these different numbers. Okay, 1 0 1 1 1 1. These are the numbers. Multiply each number by 2 raised to the, from the right side, increasing order of 2. Multiply each number. So I just draw the sign of multiplication here. So you understand I am going to multiply something. Okay, multiply each number from the right side of 2 raised to the power 0, starting from 2 raised to the power 0, then 2 raised to the power 1, and so on. Here also another number, so 2 raised to the power 0 1, then power is 2, then 2 raised to the power 3, then 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3, then 2 raised to the power 4, then 2 raised to the power 5. Yes, I again explain you. First of all, just write down the given binary number separately, like 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. Then each bit of that binary number multiply by, from the rightmost side, multiply by 2 in increasing order, starting from 0. So the rightmost bit multiply by 2 raised to the power 0, the second bit 2 raised to the power 1, then 2 raised to the power 2, then 2 raised to the power 3, and so on, right? Then multiply with each other, add with each other. So this is add with this, then this will be add with this, then this answer will be add with this, then this will be add with this, and this, right? So this will be the answer. How? Now see, 2 raised to the power 5 is what? 1 multiply by 2 raised to the power 5, that is what? That is 32. then plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 4 times. So that is 16, but 0 multiplied by 16, that is 0. So this will be 0. Again 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 1 multiplied by 8, that is 8. Then 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4. Then 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. Now always remember that any number having a power 0, that is equal to 1. X power is 0, it means 1. Y power is 0, it means 1. 10 power 0, it means, sorry, yes, 10 power 0, that is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay. Now add these number and use 32 plus 8, that is 40. 40 plus 4, that is 44. 44 plus 2 is 46, and 46 plus 1 is 47, and 47 is your answer of decimal number. And why I choose this example, first of all, because in starting case when I taught about decimal number to binary number conversion, at that time I used the example of 47, and we find out at the answer of the binary representation like 101111. So again in the case of binary number to decimal number conversion, we just see that again the decimal number from 101111 binary representation is 47. So we can cross check our result also. So this is the format of how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. Now once again at the right side I am going to explain you the second example. Let's suppose my number is 1001011. Okay, this is my binary number. Let it be binary number. Now I want to convert this number into a decimal number. Now I want to convert this number into a decimal number. So how can I convert this number into a decimal number? The same format. First of all, write down the number separately from each other. So it is a long number. So 1, then 0, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, and then again 1. Okay. Now I separate them. Okay, 101011. Okay, from the rightmost side, as I explained, from the rightmost side I just multiply these numbers. Okay, I just multiply this number. Sorry, this is also multiplication side. Multiply this number with something. So I am going to first of all type the multiply sign in front of you. Okay. Then multiply these numbers. Kindly wait. This number is yes. Yes, we have to multiply these numbers by power of 2 from the rightmost side. So at the rightmost side, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 0, then 2 raised to the power 1. First of all, I just type 2, then we will write down the power. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, and 1 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now the power is the power from the rightmost side. Just type 0, 1, and so on. Here the power. Wait, I just a second. 1, 0, 0, then 1, then 0 multiplied by 2. Yes, from the rightmost side, write down the power. The rightmost two power is 0, then the left one is power 1, then the left one is power having a power of 2, then the left one having a power of 3, then the left one having a power of 4, then the left one having a power of 5. Addition in between all of them, and an addition sign in between all of them. Yes. So now check the result. I again explain you the procedure, the same procedure. What we did actually, first of all, we just see the number 1001011. We just write down the number separately from each other, multiply each number by 2 from the rightmost side. The power of that 2 start from 0 in increasing order till the leftmost bit comes. So the rightmost bit is 1, so 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, then the next bit is also 1, so 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, then the left bit is 0, then 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, then 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3, then 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4, then again 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5, and the leftmost 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6. Now add each of them with add each bit. Now check the result. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power is 32, but it is multiplied by 0, so answer is 0. The result is 0. So again plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. No need to see because it is multiplied by 0, so put 0. Then 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Then 1 multiply 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, again 0. Again 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. Again 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So what will be the result? 64 plus 8, that is 72. 64 plus 8, that is 72 plus, sorry, 64 plus 8, 72 plus 2, 74, and plus 1, that is 75. So we again cross check the result of that previous decimal number to binary number system conversion, in which we took an example of 75 in decimal, and when we convert that number with the help of the division technique into a binary, we found the answer 1001011. Now in the case of binary number to decimal number conversion, we again cross check the result of by taking that 1001011 representation of binary and convert that number into a decimal number, and we find that my answer will be 75 again. Right. So the answer is again cross check, and I hope you understand how to convert a decimal number to binary number, and how. Then ask me that if you have any doubt then ask me.